Sneezes versus cheetahs. A single sneeze can outpace a cheetah, launching droplets at a staggering 100 miles per hour. Imagine that power surge from your own body. This explosive force is your body's rapid response team in action, ejecting potential irritants with a velocity that could rival a sports car. Each sneeze is a complex choreography of muscle contractions and air pressure, a mini tempest designed to clear your nasal passages. Ever wondered why your sneezes are so loud? It's the sound of air slamming through your vocal cords at breakneck speed. While it feels like a momentary disruption, this incredible burst of speed and energy is vital for keeping our respiratory system clean. Next time you sneeze, remember, you're unleashing one of nature's most powerful forces, all packed into a split second of human ingenuity.